Well, here we are again, and this time we are back in Littleton as they are. Hello! Hello again. They are putting in the countertops, and I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love, because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. And today it is a very exciting day at our kitchen renovation in Littleton, Massachusetts, where not only are we installing the kitchen countertops today, but the painters are also here and we're doing the painting. And here they are. How exciting. Hello.
Hey Kevin.
Hi guys.
Hi. Is this yours? Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How are you guys?
Good.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Yeah. We'll shake your hand in a minute here, Kevin. We don't want to hurt you. You got that heavy stone. So Tempest Blue is going up. You need a hand? My hand? So there's a lot of exciting things happening in Littleton, Massachusetts, and I invite you to join me as for this next episode. All right, here we go. Oh, be careful. These. They make it look a lot easier than it is. Oh, beautiful. All right, give me the knife. I'll get it. And these are on the bottom. There we are. Yikes. So pretty. Look, I blend right in. I'm the one blending. Well, the painters are raving about your kitchen. I can't believe Deb is missing this. You're the one mixing today, huh? So we get painting, we got countertops. This place is rocking, man. This is awesome. At peace by yourself. You're a strong man.
Thank you.
Wow. You make it look easy. The moment of truth, guys. Yikes. Should we move that stove or no? That's fine, okay. Now you see why I use these guys, Deb?
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
They
I've
know,
watched all your videos with them.
yeah, no, they're fantastic. There's so many of them, you know, I just don't take my chances.
No.
Right, but knock on wood, it's just what you bring to the
Right.
table, what you attract.
Energy. Right.
If you are thinking negative, the whole thing, it's like it's just coming together. Look at that. Beautiful.
No, I need that bracket.
Oh, okay. And you have it here, though?
No,
Oh. Do you want me to go get it?
no.
No? Okay. Oh, so you're not going to put that counter on?
No, not yet.
Oh. Oh, this one? Oh, do we have sawhorses? Oh, okay. Oh, gotcha.
It's a free quote. And it's gotta be why they're, still looking.
No, she's.
In your bag, right?
It is.
So like how, I could never really explain this to you, but what do you think? I said it was moving.
I mean, I'm a natural stone person.
Harris, Mexico in July, the year that, 2 years ago, when everybody was hot, no matter where you were.
Oh, yeah. Well,
So there's your sealer, by the way, going on.
Yep.
It smells like it. So that.
That might be my seat now. Gary's gonna be like, I got the king seat, but I think I'm gonna have to take that one. Right?
Claim it right away. It's like, this is it.
We do play dice. We play left, right, center. Like,
Oh, you
Oh,
do?
that-
we love that
Oh,
game.
okay.
You like that
Yeah,
game?
yeah.
that's
We-
like the best
it's
game.
the best game. You can play it with kids. You can play it with
So-
adults.
It's so simple.
At on Christmas Eve, we bring scratch tickets,
Oh,
and we
very
use that for the kitty for the left, right,
nice,
center.
nice. You know what I did? I do quarters. Is
Oh
what
yeah,
I
that's
do
good.
too.
Yeah. You can use poker
like-
chips too, and then cash in, right?
Yeah. I
Jim,
thought
Jim, your shim, your leg.
Look at the
moved.
leg.
Oh.
Oops.
It's just from them moving it. Yeah.
Oh. So they're not
The
installed just yet.
Cardboard flew out.
Yeah, they're not installed yet, so it's just.
Jim's shims.
All right, bye guys.
So good a day as any.